Oh, hi there. How are you? Kathy is leaving with her family for the province.
Yeah, she dropped by to say goodbye. I think she's going to miss us.
Well, we'll miss her too. That's why we're preparing this small gift for her.
So she will remember us.
Hey, Marge, can you ask Kathy if she's leaving right now?
Are you sure, Joji?
Of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Kathy?
Yes, Marge?
Joji said that you have to leave right now.
He wants me to leave right now?
That's what he said.
Oh, I thought I could stay for a little while, but it looks like Joji doesn't want me here.
Sorry, Kathy.
That's okay, Marge. I'll just leave. Joji might be busy. I hope to see you when I get back from the province. Bye, Joji.
Aw, leaving so soon? Is your family calling you now?
No, but since you want me to leave, I'll just go.
Want you to leave? Who wants you to leave?
You!
Me? I didn't say that.
Marge told me.
Didn't you ask me to tell Kathy that she is leaving right now?
Oh, Marge, I didn't ask you to tell her. I asked you to ask if she's leaving right now.
What?
You misunderstood me. I am asking if she's leaving. I'm not telling her to leave. Let's be clear. There is a difference between an asking sentence and a telling sentence. An asking sentence asks for information. It's a question. While a telling sentence tells information. I told Marge to ask Kathy if she is leaving right now. What she has to say to Kathy is an asking sentence, not a telling sentence.
I think I get it now. I should ask her and not tell her. Sorry.
That's fine, Marge. At least now you know.
Yeah, that's okay. So you're not really telling me to leave?
Of course not, Kathy. I wanted to know if you were leaving so that I could make sure we could give you this on time.
Wow, you have a gift for me.
Yup, so you'll never forget us.
But I'll be away for just 3 days.
We just want to make sure.
Open it, Kathy.
No.
Huh?
Why not? I want it to be a surprise.
Open it, Kathy.
Please, please, we want to see you open it.
I'll think about it.
Come on, Kathy. Open it, please.